Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome back with me Braja and I'm from 9E of Junior High School 6 SIDOARJO. So today I will show you how to make a beef burger with easy and fast. So first of all, let's prepare the ingredients. The ingredients are 1 pair of burger buns, 1 slice of beef patty, 1 teaspoon of relish, 1 slice of cheese, 1 pack of butter, 1 slice of lettuce, mayonnaise, ketchup, chili sauce, and fried oil. After that, prepare all the tools. The tools are frying pan, plate, spoon, and spatula. First of all, spread butter on burger buns. After that, cook the pair of buns in frying pan until the color of buns turn into brown. Cook 1 slice of beef patty in frying pan with fried oil until cooked. Put the burger buns on plate and then put 1 teaspoon of relish on cooked burger buns. After that, spread ketchup above the relish. Next, put 1 slice of lettuce above the relish and ketchup. And then, put 1 slice of cheese on the lettuce. Next, put cooked patty on it. And then spread mayonnaise and chili sauce on the patty. And the last step, put the other burger buns on top of all ingredients. And now, beef burger is ready to eat. So guys, that is all of my tutorials. Thank you for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See ya!